This is a 2023 Hyundai Staria. Every time I see this car, unang naisipan ko si Iron Man. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So, another done project here. This is a 2023 Hyundai Staria. This is a medyo konting car on the road. Medyo hindi na-register yung kanyang pangalan sa utak ko. Every time I see this car, unang naisipan ko si Iron Man. So, yan yung kamukha niya sa akin ha. Lalo na itong version, kulay brown siya. Imbes na black accent or chrome accent, ang ginawa niyang dark bronze accent. Super kamukha niya si Iron Man para sa akin. So, anong pinagawa ni client? Nagpa-ceramic coat si client. So, the whole car has been polished and ceramic coated. So, maayos na lahat. Okay na yung kanyang exterior. Maliban dyan, ano yung pinagawa ni client na medyo kakaiba? So, nagpa-install si client ng power step board. So, ayan. Every time pag-open ni client ng door, lalabas yung kanyang step board para easy access in and out. And then, pagkatapos, pag sarado ng door ni client, babalik yung kanyang step board. So, ayan. If you guys are interested in this service or this item or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!